Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Myself, Sari Shibrar, 17, added 32176, semester, course title Hot 504, teacher name Dr. Tanveer Hussain, Department of Horticulture, Arid Agriculture, University, Rawalpindi. The topic of my practical task is cultivation of pumpkin. Its contents are showing on the screen. The common name of pumpkin is Mitha Kaddu. Its English name is pumpkin and its botanical name is Cucurbita pepo. Pepo means to ripen in the presence of the sunlight. They needs warmer temperature and the warmer soil for its cultivation and production. There are different varieties of the pumpkin which are available in the market, such as pie pumpkin, mini pumpkin, Cinderella, etc. And the seeds of the pumpkin are pale white or off-white in color. We can take the seeds of any variety. Then early summer and monsoon season is the best time to grow it. Ideal temperature range between 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. For seeding, we take a small pot of about 4 inches in size and make the proper hole in the bottom. Potting mix 60% sand, 20% soil and 20% vermicompost. We will make the small hole in the bottom and put the seed in it and cover it with a thin layer of the soil. And after 7 days, we will see the results. After 7 days, the seedling is developed. Smaller roots are formed. You can see it clearly on the screen. After 10 days, the result will be improved. Transplant them after 14 to 21 days of seedling. Pot size must be 22 inches in size because it needs enough space for its growth. And then the potting mix include 40% vermicompost, 30% sand and 30% soil, and we can see the result after 60 days. Now it is ready for cross pollination because it reaches maximum size. The male and the female flowers in the pumpkins are separate. You can see this is the male flower. This is the female bud. And this is the female flower. Morning is the best time for cross pollination. You can see there are anthers which are present in the male flower. Collect pollen from male flower, and it is important if you have only one plant in our garden. We can collect it through cotton bud. This yellow color is the pollen grains. For a cross-pollinating plant, brush up a little pollen from the male flower and transfer it to the pistil on the female flower. Then we can see the results after 64 days. After 64 days, a small fruit will be formed. You can see it is green in color and smaller in size. Then results after 68 days. Its size is increased, and after 78 days we can see the final look of the fruit. This is the final look. The pumpkin reaches the maximum size, which is green in color. Then we can separate it by using blade or the knife very carefully. There are various insects, pests of pumpkin which affect its production, such as thrips, aphids, white flies, which can cause greater damage in pumpkin. Diseases of pumpkin. There are several diseases of pumpkin such as powdery mildew, downy mildew and wilt, etc. There are many pesticides and sprays which are used in the pumpkin, such as Monterey BT, liquid carbide, etc. Thank you so much.